Hello friends, how are you? Today we will learn first lesson of EVS, that is our environment. Look at the picture carefully. What do you see in this picture? There is a tree. Monkey is sitting on a tree. Squirrel is climbing on a tree. Rabbit, clay, stones, grass, bushes, very good. River, fields, mountains, houses. There are many things around us. They form our environment. There are stones and rocks and soil. There are rivers and streams and lakes. There is air. There are hills and mountains. There are jungles. There are fields and houses and roads and also barren lands. We also see many different animals around us, different type of trees and bushes and climbers makes our environment beautiful. We too are a part of this environment. A sparrow and a roadside stone. Now let us look at the stone and a sparrow in our surroundings and compare them. A stone remains where it is. Its place changes only if someone picks it up and moves it. And it doesn't eat, so it doesn't grow bigger. It doesn't have babies either. It's not same with sparrow. They build nests, they move here and there on their own. They eat insects and grains. That is why they grow. They lay eggs in nests. Little sparrows hatch from these eggs. Sparrows takes a lot of care of their young ones. Living things and non-living things. The sparrow is a living thing and the stone is a non-living thing. Things is in our surroundings form two groups: living things and non-living things. Living things are of two kinds: plants and animals. Living things. Living things can move. Living things are sensitive. Living things require food. Living things can grow. Living things reproduce their own kind, means their babies. Living things die after some time. Then non-living things. Non-living things cannot move here and there. Non-living things are not sensitive. Non-living things do not require food, water, etc. Non-living things cannot grow. Non-living things cannot reproduce their own kind, means baby. Non-living things are not able to don't possess life. The relationship between all things in the environment. Water and air are a part of environment. All living things need them. Living things also need food. They get their food from the environment. Whatever living things need no survive, they get from their environment. Birds build nests, they need cotton, twigs, and threads to build them. They get these things from the environment. Human being uses so many things from the environment. We get cotton, wool, and silk from our environment. We use cloth from them. We make things like mats, baskets, paper from materials in our environment. We build houses using clay and stone and wood. These materials too we get from our environment. The seeds of some plants are scattered by the wind. As a result, seedlings of those plants grow in new places. Thus, plants do get the help from their environment. Living things take many things from their environment. What effect does that have on the environment? Animals like vultures and foxes eat the flesh of dead animals. Thus, they clean the environment while they satisfy their hunger. Okay, what we have learned in this lesson? There are many things in our environment. Some of them are living things and some are non-living things. Living things can move on their own. Living things need food. Food helps them to grow. Living things produce young ones like themselves. Living things are of two kinds, plants and animals. Living things get all that they need from their environment. Living things bring about changes in non-living things too. All things in the environment depend upon each other.